I'm Daniel Miller with Bay Marine, and I have a 2020 Yamaha FX HO Cruiser. And one of the questions we get the most is, how do you cover this thing? The covers are made specifically for these units, and they're very, very tight to put on. So we're gonna go for it here. We have our storage compartment here, and we have our mirrors. Got handlebars. Make sure those are on nice and tight. You will never get it on if you don't put the handlebars on first. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go up front, pull it down over the bow, and then we can worry about the back. Get the seat on here nice and tight. Then you can just pull the cover right down over the back of it. Nothing to pull, it's on there nice and tight, won't go anywhere. And that's all there is to it. Over here at Bay Marine, just give us a call or shoot us a text or visit the website for any more questions that you have. We'll try and put some more information videos up as we go along.